It is a winter weather advisory that we have in place basically along I-380 and to the south. That's where we're expecting that swath of snow to be about 2 to 4 inches. And then on the outskirts of that advisory, it's not going to be nearly as much. In fact, it should drop off pretty quickly the further you get into northeast Iowa. And some will not even see any snow for today. But I want to stress that band of snow, the 2 to 4 inches, is going to be pretty narrow, basically a county or a county and a half wide. So this storm will not impact everybody the same. But as we go through the rest of this afternoon, the snow chances continue to go up. I think we're peaking with the overall coverage and intensity of the snow about 5 o'clock. So you can see some darker blues through there. That's the more moderate snowfall, lighter off to the northeast. Sorry, northeast Iowa, you're not probably getting in on that too much. By 7, 8 o'clock, we're losing a lot of the moderate snowfall. Still some light snow, though, could fall through about midnight. And then we should be just heading for some flurries for the rest of the night, which is what you see passing on by there. Cloud cover will stick around for Friday, too. So updated snowfall amounts from what I had this morning. I basically just took that 2 to 4 inches and dragged it over Keokuk County too. So I think we'll see that to about Cedar Rapids and Waterloo. You could infer maybe about 2 inches or so for the Cedar Rapids Metro and the Waterloo Metro. Totals dropping off to less than an inch in Dubuque, and then again northeast Iowa. Probably not coming away with too much there as far as snow goes this time around. Let's take a look at Friday night and into Saturday. This is Clipper system number 2. 7 a.m. Saturday, most of the snow falling across southern Iowa and western Iowa, and then maybe just some light stuff for us. Throughout the day Saturday, we'll get our best shot for snow, and it's going to be along and south of Highway 30. Again, I think our northern counties missing out on some of this. And by the afternoon, it'll start to push out to the east as high pressure works its way in. That means some pretty cold conditions on the way for the weekend. In fact, you look at the high temperatures Saturday, 6 degrees, okay, but then Sunday almost struggling to break 0 degrees, only topping out about 2 or so. We'll get a lot nicer into early next week as we have mid-30s on the way, so a big swing in temperatures. But look at these lows for Saturday night, Sunday morning. I'm expecting the teens below 0, pretty close to record setting. Should be easily a new record in Iowa City. Before the other 3 will be within about 5 degrees. But the wind chills Sunday morning, anywhere from about 30 to 35 below. So we could have some cold weather advisories coming out here for this weekend. Otherwise, we finally see the sunshine on Sunday, and then we get a lot nicer temperature-wise into next week as we'll see some melting. 34 the high on Tuesday, and then 36 on Wednesday.